Winter has come, and this love arrives to warm us up.
When you don't want to be with your sister, but she has your favourite snack.
Buckle me.
Buckle you up?
Yeah.
I've got to put the covers on first, honey.
Don't you know one?
Woo!
I shall call him Squishy, and he shall be mine, and he shall be my Squishy. Come here, Squishy. Come here, little Squishy.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
Mom. Mom. Freddy, bye, Dobby. Freddy.
First lesson for the little ones. You can't eat alone in front of your bestie. Don't let your baby play with a dog. They'll get exhausted from laughing non-stop.
Noisy.
Hey.
A kid's argument in progress. Classic style. This is why you quarantine babies from dogs, or they'll drown in love.
Ready, not thirsty. Who is that?
Eu pergunto a vocês: tem quem aguenta? Tem quem aguente um negócio desse? Tem quem aguente, pelo amor de Deus? Tem quem aguente o negócio.
And the baby say good morning to the baby. Oh, I say good morning to those baby toes.
Looks like he's found something even better than pup cups.
Ranch, that's great. I love baby toes.
A clear sign this pup loves his little siblings very, very much.
Good boy.
Good boy, Shy. Nice and gentle.
Now, other paw. Good
Boy. Oh.
What could be better than growing up with your best friend by your side?
Okay, Dad, I'm ready than ever.
You ready to meet your brother? Okay? Oh. Okay, come.
Good morning, guys. Did you have a nice sleep?
Yeah.
Can I have a cuddle of Freddie? Freddie. Oh, hi, Fred.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
What, buddy? What? I just want to hit the baby.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
You're 45, that's a lot. 45. Yeah, see, it says 45, that's a lot. I opened it. And everybody in this one.
Oh no! He's gonna get her! He's gonna get her! He's gonna get her! Cause she plays for good boy. You protect her.